like this. I thought this was Southgate, not the desert. Maybe this is because of climate change.
Global temperature has increased by about 1 degree Celsius in the past century.
The United States is the second largest contributor to carbon dioxide in our atmosphere.
The increase in global temperature since 1950 has been caused by human activity.
The average temperature of the Earth is determined by the greenhouse effect.
Around 50% of carbon released into the environment is due to deforestation and change in use of land.
Since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, the acidity of surface ocean waters has increased by about 30%. The amount of carbon dioxide absorbed by the upper layer of the oceans is increasing by about 2 billion tons per year.
One thing we can do to help with climate change is by planting more trees like this one.
Another thing we can do to stop climate change is to start using hybrid cars and electric-powered cars instead of gas-powered cars. Another thing we can do to stop climate change is start planting rooftop gardens because they help clean the air around us. Like Survival in Sarajevo, we can work together to stop the problem, climate change.
These are some organizations: Climate Sense, Environment Now, Environment California.
In Survival in Sarajevo, many people put aside differences, no matter how rich or poor, they work to survive in the chaos. We should be like the people of La Benevolencia, who work together in a time of trouble. We should work together so there won't be chaos in our climate. How has climate change affected our community?
Climate change is making it more difficult for people in our community to have the quality of life that other generations have had. So, for example, our air quality is being changed, particularly in this community, because we have such an industrial, our schools located in such an industrial area. And I think that one affects the quality of air for people that live in the area, but two, we know that also contributes to the greenhouse effect, and that's warming our planet. And the warming of the planet is going to make it more difficult for future generations, because when sea levels rise, we'll have people who are being displaced. It's predicted that water will become the commodity that people have wars over, actually, and that people will have to move in order to be closer to water supplies. That's the prediction, that if you keep going the way we're going. And it's also predicted that communities of color will suffer more from these environmental issues.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned some fun facts about climate change.